In this experiment, we will calculate the amount of base from antacid tablet with the help of HCl acid. To do this experiment, we will need apparatus like burette, pipette, conical flask, beaker, etc. To prepare a Digene solution, we have to take a Digene tablet, grind it till it becomes the powder. The amount should be 0.5 gram and dissolve it in a hot water. Then we have to stir the hot water with a glass rod so the Digene powder completely dissolves with the water, so that the solution become colorless. Filter it through a filter paper and transfer it to a 100 ml metric flask. Fill the flask up to the given mark and Digene solution will be prepared. 10 ml of given Digene solution is taken with the help of a pipette and transferred to a conical flask. And then 20 ml of distilled water should added to it. Then add 2 to 3 drops of methyl orange indicator into the conical flask. Then wash the burette properly and fill it with a standard N50 HCl solution. Fill it up to the mark. Before opening stopcock of burette, you have to note down the initial reading in the observation table. Carefully open the stopcock enough so the water comes drop by drop. While the 50 NaCl solution dropping into the conical flask, you have to continuously stir the conical flask as we are doing in this video. We are taking a rough reading in our first attempt just as a reference point and to give you a better comparison between the final reading and the rough reading. As you can see, we have taken out a rough reading in a test tube. Then you have to make a Digene solution again by adding 10 ml of Digene solution, 20 ml of distilled water. And you have to fill the burette again with the 50 NaCl solution up to the mark. For second attempt, you have to open the stopcock and start titrating the below solution by the 50 NaCl solution coming out of the burette. Stop the stopcock of burette when the color of the solution started becoming pink. And note down the final readings in the observation table. We are taking a little amount of final pink solution into a test tube just to show you the comparison between initial Digene solution, the rough reading, and the final reading. For performing this experiment, you have to take certain precautions as we are showing you in this video. First of all, you have to stir the conical flask very carefully as I'm showing you. Second, hold the burette on the burette stand carefully and straight. Third, note down the exact reading and see it carefully and from the straight angle.